Hey guys at the Portland Musical Theater Company. My name is Patti, and I played Princess Anna in Frozen on Broadway. And I heard that you guys are doing the most incredible thing and doing a musical designed and written to be rehearsed and produced virtually. That is makes me so happy. I cannot even tell you. Obviously, I'm a huge Broadway lover, and have a lot of passion for it and for all the different theater companies all over the country, all over the world. And to see actors and directors and producers and companies and, just everyone, writers getting together and trying to still make art and do things to make their hearts full while this is all happening. You can't do it in the traditional way. It gives me so much faith in the future of theater. It's a huge congratulations. And I truly cannot wait to see the product, because it's obviously going to be filled with a lot of love. And I just think that is really the coolest thing. And you're also going to lift up a lot of other people too, because as we know, that's what theater does, no matter what side of the stage you're on. And so I think you're going to do an incredible thing for a lot of people that really, really, really need a boost right now. So congratulations. I am wishing you all of the luck in the world, and I am sending you all my love, and I cannot wait to see this. All right. Bye, guys.